Hey gang, welcome back to your review channel. Today I'm looking at a product called Zep Streak-Free Glass Cleaner. This was gifted to me by Lowe's Home Improvement. I want to thank them so much for sponsoring this video. This is an awesome glass cleaner, streak-free glass cleaner, new enhanced formula. This is the Pro Quality made by Zep. So this is what it looks like here. It's blue in the bottle, as you can see here. It's got a nice yellow cap on top. And let's just see how it works actually on this window. So what I have here is a glass door, of course, you can see here, and let's just open this up and take a look and see how it works. You can definitely see this window needs some help, and I have this really nice cleaner. So let's open this up and let's spray it on and see how we got it. We have stream and we have spray. So there's two different settings on the bottle right here, stream and spray. You can see that. Let's crank that. That is the stream. And then we turn it. And now we have the spray. And there we go. So I sprayed it all around, as you can see here. And let's just wipe this up and just see what we end up with. Let's see. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Appreciate everyone tuning in and watching all my awesome videos. Hope I give you some education, teach you a little bit about everything there is to learn. So let's just take a look at this. I don't see any streaks. It looks really clean. So you can see it's nice and clean. Absolutely amazing. It works well. It's got a nice fragrance, not too powerful. Standard glass cleaner smell. And that's what we have. Works great. Streak-free, actually. Streak-free glass cleaner. Again, sent to me by Lowe's Home Improvement to sponsor this video. I really do appreciate that. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. The outside now. Let's spray it. Just like you see here. You can see how nice of a job it's doing. I actually like this a lot. This looks awesome. I love it. There you go. That'll dry, and that'll be streak-free. That is quite awesome. I do like the way it looks. Awesome, awesome. There it is. All right, guys, here it is. Zep Streak-Free Glass Cleaner. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you're enjoying my content. Take a look at all my videos on my channel. I appreciate everyone tuning in and watching. Just a quickie. Just want to show you about the Zep Cleaner. I like it. It works great. And it really does a nice job. Thanks, Lowe's, for sending me this product. I really do appreciate it. It is sponsored by them. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. There will be a link down below for this product. It is a small affiliate link. I do get a small commission that costs you nothing. So go right ahead and purchase it if you're interested. Like I said, it is a Lowe's product, and I absolutely love it. It works great and fantastic. I love this big trigger. Easy to use. You get the spray or the stream. Super easy to use. Definitely highly recommend.